Good evening. Today is Tuesday, March 12, 2024, and here are the 7 p.m. SL Visayas draw result for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the SL Shore 3 7 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for March 12, 2024, Tuesday. Here are the SL Shore 3 7 p.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Tuesday, March 12, 2024. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of March 12, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.